Pulkit, what is the best thing about live-in relationship?
The best thing about live-in relationship is
One advantage and one disadvantage of working in a film with your girlfriend.
Oh, look at Jim.
Quickly end this interview with a rapid fire. Pulkit, what is the best thing about live-in relationship?
the best thing about live-in relationship is waking up with that smile and that face next to you.
What is something you always wanted to do and lockdown helped you do that?
Baking breads, and I really love doing that. I always wanted to bake breads, और मुझे कभी मौका नहीं मिला, कभी टाइम नहीं मिला. अब जब वेले बैठे हुए थे, सारे जो आटा मैदा सब कुछ सामने पड़ा ही था. So we started baking some breads, and I fell in love with bread baking. And I think that's gonna be. I really want to reach a stage जहाँ पे मैं सुबह के लिए अपने लिए टाइम निकाल पाऊँ. कि रात को डो रेडी करके रखा है, वो फर्मेंट हुआ है, सुबह उठे सावरडो ब्रेड अंदर ओवन में डाली और फ्रेश ब्रेकफास्ट में खाई. So that's my new love.
आप जिस तरीके से यूं कर रहे थे, मुझे लगा कि आप सुबह जो है ब्रेड बनाए अपने बच्चों के लिए.
नहीं, उसके लिए तो बिल्कुल टाइम ही नहीं है मेरे पास अभी.
Okay, all right. One advantage and one disadvantage of working in a film with your girlfriend.
One advantage is advantage तो यार obviously that you are not far away from each other. It's not too much of a distance. वो long distance relationship वाली feeling नहीं आती. हाँ बेबी क्या चल रहा है, मैं अभी कॉल करती हूँ सेट पे, वो बात अरे. So that communication gap doesn't happen. And one disadvantage would be that she knows every sort of misbehavior that you do on the set. कि ऐसे क्यों बात करी उस बंदे से, हाँ कॉस्ट्यूम वालों से ऐसे बात करते हैं, ये ठीक से पहन के जाओ. Yeah, and I would do the same. It's just a human condition. Like you end up doing that. So yeah,
Okay.
that's the advantage and that's the disadvantage. But also the advantage is आपने सेट पे कुछ गलत किया तो आपको सीधा यहाँ पे शीशा दिखा दिया जाता है. I think that's a big advantage. You cannot hide your negatives.
Great. Action or comedy, your favorite genre as an actor?
Action or comedy? अभी horror comedy नया चल रहा है. That is my favorite. I would love if something like Jackie Chan really comes over here and we start making those kind of films as well, which would be action comedy, which is one of my another genre that I really love.
For you, what is the definition of a dream role?
You know, I always, since मैंने actually काफी छोटा था obviously, जब मैंने एक मूवी देखी थी कमल हसन सर की, which was अभय थी, जिसमें he was playing a double role and one was a little psychotic and the other one was the police officer. It was still very entertaining. And so I would love to play roles where I have a kind of a split personality, or maybe a psychopath or a psycho kind of a person who on the face is very pleasant, but something like a Dexter. That would be great. That's one of my dream roles. If some director over here is listening to me, that.
All right, so I think Pulkit has done pretty well. Let's see what Sanjita has to say. Sanjita, how would you describe your journey so far in a hashtag?
Thrilling.
Okay,
Yeah.
hashtag thrilling. What is something that you don't like while shooting in television serials?
Doing too much of makeup.
Okay, what was your first reaction when you were offered Tash?
This.
Speechless. And I'm sure it would also be that laughter that she has. Please, once
Oh,
for
God.
us.
No.
That please. Once, Sanjita. Come on.
Oh, look at Jim.
Vijay, that's the soundtrack for your next film. Please use it.
Horror comedy for your horror comedy. If you're
For a
making
horror
one.
comedy, you can use this.
अलग लेवल की collabs हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Okay,
Yeah,
if you could replace the lead actress of any Bollywood film, which one would it be?
Replace like on behalf of like
Yeah,
in the sense.
hypothetically, a film that has already
You
come out.
take the role.
If you could
I
replace
would replace Rani Mukherjee in black.
Okay, you think you can do?
If I have a director like Bijoy, I think I can do anything.
She's going far. She's going business. Good. A web show you wish you were a part of.
A web show, Made in Heaven.
You were offered that.
No, I wasn't offered. I wish I was a part of it.
Have you been offered Bollywood films even before Tash and you rejected them?
I was offered, but
I don't think I got too excited to be a part of that film.
Okay, not bad, pretty good.
Oh, I was
Now,
quick,
Jim
huh,
Saab-
Faridu?
Very
Yeah.
fast.
Jim Saab, yeah, Jim Saab,
Super
Jim
Jim
Saab,
Saab,
chalo, come on,
Quite
Jim
rapid,
Saab.
huh?
He
Quite
is
rapid.
competition. Let me tell you guys in advance. This is
Kriti,
competition.
I know. I've seen that.
Okay, Sanjita was good as well. Pulkit was good as well. But Jim Saab is competition. Which has been the most challenging role of your career so far, apart from Tash?
Mirza.
All right. If you were to star as lead actor in any romantic film, which actress would you want to romance on screen?
Zoya Hussain.
And why is that?
I love her.
All right. He's in the game. Malik Kapoor from Padmavat or Adil from Made in Heaven, your favorite?
Too different to tell.
Still, that's the idea. They are different. That is the
Bro, एक बता hamper चला जाएगा तेरा.
But
चला गया.
there's still season 2 of Made in Heaven left, I guess. So Adil.
Adil. All right. Okay. Apart from you, whose role did you like the most in Tash?
Probably Pulkit's.
What is something that nobody present here knows about Jim Saab?
Go on.
That nobody knows about me. When I was a kid, I wanted to be a marine biologist.
This is the hamper question. Okay.
Oh my.
Ranveer Kapoor or Ranveer Singh, the Barracosta?
They're completely different actors. It's very hard to compare this thing. And anyway, I know that the end of this will be Jim Saab picks. So I'm not picking, no chance.
I told you this is the question. Okay, what is that one thing you don't like but have to pretend that you like it?
Promotions. I'm joking.
You don't like what you have to pretend that you like it. All right, that's it. That is why even Ranveer doesn't like it, but he does it. Fair enough. That was an honest one. That was an honest reply. Okay, we'll come to Bijoy and then we'll come to Kriti. So the finale will be like totally. She will have
Listen, this is
Sara
too much
benchmark.
pressure.
Hang
पता
on.
चले आज ही कुछ नहीं कर पा रही हूँ.
All right, Bijoy. Which film would you call your most accomplished work so far, apart from Tash?
The one story in Solo, the gangster story, that's my favorite that I've done.
That's my favorite as well. I told you the day I watched it.
That's a very good pick. Okay, that's okay. What is the common practice many Bollywood directors do follow on the set, but you don't?
I don't know from. I only worked with one director. I've only worked with under one director. So I don't know how other directors really perform on set or what do they do. But I don't know. I really don't know.
Can I say one habit that he has and none of the other directors that I've worked with so far
Please
have
go ahead.
that?
Yes, please
He
go ahead.
has this much of a notebook that he has with him. Okay, which has some 100 pages. It's this thick and this small. Okay. So he doesn't care whether the DA is taking notes or the other AD is taking notes or whosoever is taking notes, he doesn't care. He takes his own notes down and he'll sit like this. He'll sit like this and he'll start writing so
That is so
small
Bijoy!
that only he can read. And that makes him a one-man team, I think so. He is a control freak in that sense, but he has everything on the point. कि पुलकित ने यहाँ पे सांस ली, मुझे इसका डब चाहिए बाद में. तू तो याद नहीं रखेगा, मैं रखूंगा. He is very particular about this.
Pulkit Samrat is scoring in other people's. So, which film of yours would you call the most underrated?
It makes me sound like I'm some very accomplished filmmaker, but
You are, man. You are.
Let's just play along, na, Bijoy, please.
David.
You are.
David.
You are. And now Kriti is scoring.
David is the most underrated.
David. All right. Who's the camera person for Tash?
A guy called Harshir Oberoi. It's his first film. Harshir Oberoi.
Okay. Which Tash actor took the minimum retake?
Bijoy
I sent you an emotional message. Bijoy, I sent you an emotional message. Come on.
Minimum retake. I think Kunika ma'am.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you. So safe.
Yeah, Kunika
All
ma'am.
right.
Kunika.
Acha, then tell us who took the maximum number of
You know why?
retakes.
You know why? Because I can't find more takes of them. I was looking for more takes.
Chama. Okay, now Bijoy, this is your hamper question. Okay.
Oh
If you give a convincing answer to this, you are in the race completely. Why do you think any Bollywood actor hasn't won an Oscar yet?
It's not that I don't think they're not deserving, but maybe in the I think we came pretty close with Lagan, and of course Satyajit Ray's films did go. But as an actor, I think we have not really cut across and made a huge mark abroad. Our films do crossover, but they're still viewed with a certain very they have a very skewed kind of perspective on our films, and I think that's why it's not really cut across. Like even Slumdog Millionaire, though it earned so many accolades, it was a British filmmaker who came and made that film with a British actor and all that. So it's a British Indian actor. So it wasn't a legit Indian film. So I guess more of our films need to cut across and make an impact there.
Okay, react to following in one word, please. CBSC.
One word only, 2 words, Tilakan?
Oh, sweet.
Sometimes painful.
Film critics.
Same answer.
What?
What is the question?
Sometimes painful.
Film critics, one word में क्या बोलूँ यार?
That's what.
Yeah, I think that's the perfect answer.
So Kriti is scoring. Award shows.
Can't be bothered.
Can't be bothered. Okay, so quickly.
Let me say one thing.
What
Let
is
me
the-
say one thing. I want to say, because you asked about award shows, I want to say that one thing. I mean, I genuinely believed in the award system and everything, but I was a jury in an award. I was part of the jury where I actually spent time looking at the films and discussing with other jurors and everything for an award. And they forgot to send me an invite for the event.
All right, that's a good one. That's a good one. I think he's in the race. He is in the race. Okay, Kriti
He
Kharbanda.
won it. Give it to him already.
So Kriti Kharbanda, what is the worst thing about live-in relationship?
You have to share your
Worst,
food at all
worst.
times. Jim. You have to share your food at all times. That is the worst thing
You have
about
to
a
share the-
relationship.
All right. Okay. What is that one thing you have discovered about Pulkit, the person, during the lockdown?
He's obsessed with his elbows.
One
वो
second.
face cream कम और अपने elbows पे cream ज़्यादा लगाता है.
This is
I'm not
interesting.
kidding. He is obsessed with his elbows. He's like, मेरी कोनियाँ अच्छी लग रही है ना? I just don't get it.
This is unique. This is unique. What fascinated you the most about Tash?
Everything. I can't pick just one thing, but after I signed the film and the kind of music Bijoy made me listen to, that became my new obsession.
All right. If you were to start a rumor about Pulkit Samrat, what would it be?
A rumor about Pulkit Samrat.
इतने सही क्वेश्चंस है ना फरीदुल सुपर है.
नहीं यार मैं तो बोल नहीं सकती ना ये सब. I mean it's not a rumor, but I want people to believe that he eats like a pig, and I don't know how he stays in shape, and that I'm supremely jealous of the fact that he has great metabolism.
All right. She is definitely in the race. Kriti Kharbanda, this is your hamper question. What makes Pulkit a perfect marriage material?
हैं? What?
पहले
Okay,
ये
let's
तो
be
पूछो
very
मैरिज
clear.
मटेरियल है भी कि नहीं.
I mean that's a decision
Huh?
we'll make in the future. I don't mind losing the hamper, but I don't want to give the wrong answer. We are
Okay.
not there yet. So
All right. Okay. How would you describe following people in one word? Bijoy Nambiar.
I said asshole just now. I
mystery.
said asshole in my head.
Bijoy Nambiar is a mystery.
Mystery. That's a good one. Jim Saab.
Cracky.
Okay. All right. Sanjita.
Very hardworking.
Very hardworking. All right. And Harshvardhan Rani.
See, honestly, I've not shared screen space with him in this film, but from whatever I've seen, he seems very driven. He seems like he's got the drive to move ahead and to prove himself as an actor, and I really admire that about him.
All right. That's wonderful. You know, I genuinely feel something that is staying in my mind is that one answer from Bijoy Nambiar about the award show that he was not.
Yeah, I agree.
Yes.
Honestly speaking, matlab,
Listen,
you know,
one second.
Please.
Technically, it was supposed to be a one-word answer. I am just saying. But because he did so well, like I wanted to stand up and clap for him, but I'm wearing pajamas.
Right.
I think Bijoy has to win this one.
but this is amazing. Like he's still being competitive, and I really like that. It's
I am
wonderful.
very competitive, okay?
No, I know that. And I think you did well, even in other people's.
Yeah, but the thing is now, normally
fine.
when I fight with you, when I'm competitive, I know I've done better. Here I feel like Pulkit, Bijoy, did better than I did for sure. So I'm feeling a little disappointed
yeah.
in myself.
Faridun,
But my
Faridun,
elbows
I'll
answer
send you.
was very good.
Women should play. They should-
Faridun,
Yes, Pulkit. Yes, Pulkit.
Faridun, I'll send you Bijoy's address. Okay, you send the hamper to that address itself.
So you basically will be
या
will be
मैं
sending
पर्सनली
your
पिकअप कर लूंगा आपके घर से मैं दे आऊंगा बिजॉय
basically you'll be sending your No, I'll contact Bijoy directly. I'll